Have you applied for subclass 407 training visa and you're waiting for your visa decision? This video might be useful for you. Hi all, this is Kaushal here from Professional Visa and Education Services. I'm here with a short video to discuss on 407 pending visa application. Now, 407, which is a hot topic these days, and as we all know, it's a training visa where it has been very popular since last year. Once the government had changes the rules around 405, people have mostly opt into 407 training visa through the perspective of their employer. And now, while a lot of applications are pending with the department on 407, we're also getting to see a lot of refusals that's happening. And within that, most importantly, a lot of people have raised the concern, and even our clients, they have asked us multiple times stating that whether 407 visa comes with a review right in the occasion if your visa has been refused by the Department of Home Affairs. Now, to answer to that question, if you have applied your visa from Australia and you hold a bridging visa to it, and if your visa is refused, it does comes with a review right. However, with 407 refusal, or if your 407 visa has been refused, we always need to go back and check about the temporary activist sponsor, often which is already done by the employer in the stage 1. And next main process, which is the nomination application, which is the employer application. Now, if the nomination has been refused by the department, and if the appeal for the nomination has not been made by the employer, then the visa refusal will come without a review rights, which means if you would like to have a review rights, or if you would like to review your application to ART, it is very important to understand whether the nomination has also been refused. And if the nomination has been refused, you need to double check with the employer whether or not they have appealed that decision. Now, on the same note, a lot of people have raised this concern along with us and migration agents, where we have got some feedback recently regarding this similar topic. Now, what has been happening if your nomination is getting refused? Usually with 407, the department is not providing natural justice, which allows the applicant of 28 days to make a decision of withdrawing the application, or even since the natural justice is not provided, the applicant does not have a choices to withdraw the visa, where they will be given 28 days, where they will have to directly face the consequences of the visa refusal. Now, in this occasion, the department has been a little bit flexible, and also they have given some provision where what they have said, in the occasion if your nomination, which means if the employer's application, the nomination file for the training visa has been refused, you are often given opportunity within the 2 weeks to relodge a new nomination and link that new nomination to your existing visa application, where what they have sort of clarified is they would at least take 2 weeks after the nomination refusal for the visa to be decided. Because if you do not take any courses of action, obviously your visa would be eventually be refused since the nomination has been refused. But if you decided to re-lodge the nomination and link that with the previous application, that could be a very ideal solution and very cost effective as well. So if you are a candidate who have 407 application pending and you're waiting for the outcome, I highly recommend you all to make sure and don't panic. So first thing first, see the outcome. If in case the nomination outcome comes as refused, make sure you talk to your employer and your migration lawyers or migration agents to make sure all the documents are accurate, up to date, the training plans is up to date, and resubmit those applications. Or you also have options if you don't see much merit basis on that, or you would like to have appeal rights attached to your visa, then make sure the employer's nomination applied for the appeal rights to ART. Now, leading to that, you will also get the appeal rights to tribunal on your visa application. In that way, you could easily deal with this fashion. But all in all, I think the opportunity of reapplying for nomination within 2 weeks and linking that to the existing visa is a very good opportunity for all of the applicants who are recently facing these issues. If you have any further concerns, you can contact one of our offices in Sydney, Canberra, or Melbourne. I'll come with more short videos in future. Thank you so much.